Hey, I'm John from Red Lemonade, and today we're going to look at 4 reasons clients come to us for design sprints. So let's begin. Number 1. Validating an MVP or product feature. Here we have worked with clients to validate a new product offering or a feature for an existing product. Together, we pinpoint and validate the aha moment. That's where the product clicks for the customer when they really get the core value of what the offering is and why they need it. The validation delivers valuable strategic data for a confident build. Number 2, onboarding. Onboarding is an important part of delivery for product growth. Here, you want to highlight the product's value and promote a successful, uncomplicated first-time use. The sprint process helps our clients recognize the path of least resistance and gives them the confidence to successfully implement the onboarding process. Number 3, we love this one, acquiring investors and partners. Recently, a fintech client was about to go into negotiation with a potential investor with a new market concept. Before this, we suggested a sprint to validate that new concept. This was then presented as part of their negotiation with the potential investor, and this was a success. Furthermore, the investor is now participating in sprints with the client to take the project to the next level. Now that's a win for everyone. Number 4, aligning teams. Aligning teams for project delivery is one of the most underrated and strongest outcomes for our clients. It's very easy for teams to get bogged down at some stage in project development and delivery. The sprint process, having a clearly defined start and finish, gives the teams a clear horizon. It's a real breath of fresh air for a team to push forward. The sprint is a creative design process, but you don't have to rely on some kind of magical creativity or inspiration. The sprint process makes this happen. So that's it. Just some of the insights on what a design sprint delivers for our clients. They use the sprint process to get their product shipped and bypass months of indecisive discussion, labour and monetary costs. So, if you found this useful, please take the time to share it with your team and friends, and do subscribe to our channel to find out more. Bye for now.